Hello everyone, my name is Lambert Rd with Brea Networks, and I have been doing this kind of work for about 23 years now, and today we're going to be discussing a little bit about CAT5 versus CAT6. First of all, the biggest differentiator is CAT5 is a thinner wire, CAT6 is a thicker wire. Okay, using our essence of electricity, because we're transferring electricity at the end of the day with computer data transfer, is the thicker the wire, the more capacity for electricity to flow through it. So the biggest differentiator between CAT5 and CAT6, one is definitely pricing. One of these CAT5 boxes can be 90 bucks. One of these CAT6 boxes could be $380, and I'm going to explain those differences in a second. One is CAT6 has a thicker gauge of copper, has more copper, therefore it's more costly, but the biggest differentiator, it has more swirls. If you look at this wire here, if you look at the CAT6 wire here, you'll notice that the CAT6 wire has a lot more swirls and it's a lot thicker gauge versus a CAT5 wire, thinner gauge, less swirls. And check it out, it's a lot more flimsier. This one's a lot more solid and stable. What does that mean? What that means is CAT6 cable can have higher transfer rates of electricity. The more swirls, the faster energy travels through it. Therefore, I can get 1 gigabit speed, 1,000 megabytes per second transferring data on my computer or on my network using a CAT6 wire. That's why it's 380 bucks a box for 1,000 feet. What about my CAT5? Well, CAT5, I can only go at 100 miles per hour, 100 megabits per second. So therefore, CAT5, 100 miles per hour, CAT6, 1,000 miles per hour. And that's the biggest differentiator. Both of them can be pulled at about 328 feet, but I usually press it to about 300. I don't go all the way to 328. I've always noticed in my professional experience of 23 years that whenever you push a wire, copper wire, to over 300 feet, you start losing the signal. Now you gotta remember that electricity, what it does is traveling data. It's like communicating every second back and forth, the signaling. So if you have a long range to pull and it's over 300 feet, I usually at that point recommend that we move over to fiber. So copper, keep it to 300 feet max. Don't even press it at 328. You'll have issues, you'll have network latency problems, and you're definitely not gonna have a happy customer or a happy network. So that is what I have up to now. Hope you make a good decision on what you're gonna do, CAT5 or CAT6. Nobody uses CAT5 no more, it's outdated. A lot of business owners though still think that CAT5, when they call us for service, they're always asking us for CAT5 because it's cheaper. But there is no more 100 megabit networks available no more. Everybody is over here at CAT6. You want to go with CAT6 for all your new projects. Have a great day. Join us, BreaNetworks.com. Thank you for following us. Appreciate it.